Core muscles, function of the internal unit. The main function of the muscles in the internal unit is to stabilize the vertebral column, the rib cage, and the pelvis. Stabilization of the back provides the lower limbs, arms, and head with a stable base from which their movement will be created. Stabilization of the back is the basis for stability of the body. In normal functioning, the muscles in the internal unit are stimulated into action a few milliseconds before limb movement. Stability begins in the core muscles and passes from the center to the periphery, to the limbs. Impaired function of the internal unit affects stability of the limbs as well as of the vertebral column. Regarding the abdominal muscles, good stability for the vertebral column and the limbs is achieved via the action of the transversus abdominis, which influence the lower vertebrae in the pelvis. The transversus abdominis muscle stabilizes the vertebral column. During construction of the muscle, the navel is pulled inwards and both sides of the pelvis are pulled towards each other. This leads to a significant chain reaction in the thoracolumbar fascia connected to the lower vertebrae. Thoracolumbar fascia. The transversus abdominis connects to the tissue. Contraction of the transversus abdominals pull the fascia from both sides of the vertebral column. The final product of this action is increased stability on both sides of the vertebral column simultaneously.